Good morning, and welcome to the Shop Black Spotlight, where we also have the Master Class Spotlight, where we share 3 success principles by the best of the best entrepreneurs and professionals. In the Shop Black Spotlight, we focus on 10 very successful businesses in the Northeast, in the Northwest, in the Capital Region, in the Caribbean. Yes, I said the Caribbean. Will be launching in Montego Bay, Jamaica on Monday, August 23rd. And also we'll be launching in London, England on October the 25th. So MBN is growing. I thank all of you for helping us in this journey. We also focus on the Southeast region, and we also focus on 10 great businesses in the Southwest region, as far west as Los Angeles. Yes, I said Los Angeles. So MBN is a national platform, and what we do is we connect consumers who have $1.6 trillion to spend with providers, Black-owned businesses, women-owned businesses, minority-owned businesses across the country. Yeah, I said 1.6 trillion, and we're trying to bring these 2 groups together so that we can enable the providers to grow and also the consumers to get the services of these excellent companies and professionals.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Shop Black Spotlight. I'm your host, Jari Giovanna. These Black-owned businesses create jobs and provide great products and services. So please support them and encourage other people to do so as well. You can watch the Shop Black Spotlight every Saturday at 10 a.m. on the Matthews Business Network Facebook page, the YouTube channel, and the MatthewsBroadcast.com. So shop urban and shop black now. Also, if you would like to promote your business on the Shop Black Spotlight, email me at mbnguestproducer@gmail.com. And if you would like to get an MBN Masterclass t-shirt or a coffee mug, you can go to our website at thematthewsbroadcast.com. Anyways, that's all I got for you this week. So I look forward to seeing you at our next chapter meeting on Monday at 7:30. Bye.
Business owners, join a professional network that will help you share the unique value of your products and services with Black and brown customers who have more than $1.6 trillion to spend on an annual basis. Join the Matthews Business Network and get the coaching, the clients, the connections, and the capital you need to succeed. To get growing right now.
Hello, my name is Mike Jones. You need to meet me at the Doubletree Hotel, September the 29th. We're doing a media conference. We're going to help you have your own TV broadcast, radio broadcast. Yes, you got the skill, you got the talent. September the 29th at the Doubletree Hotel.
You don't want to miss this conference. There'll be real estate classes. We'll teach you how to have your own broadcasts. Need more clients? Be there. You want to express your brand? Be there. You heard Mike Jones. Be there.
Did you know there's $850 billion available in grants to help your business or nonprofit? Have you applied? Let Imperial Management Group give you a fighting chance in this highly competitive market. IMG specializes in developing award-winning proposals and obtaining grants from government, foundations, and corporations. We can even help you get funding for COVID relief. Could you use $50,000 in free funding? Go to our website and book a consultation right now. We know where the money is.
This is Tony Harris Taylor, international speaker, marketing and sales coach, owner of Network in Action franchise, the TV talk show host. I help entrepreneurs get known, get connected, get paid to make 6 figures and beyond. This is Tony Harris Taylor.
She got me really motivated.
I learned something that I could immediately put to use.
Register today to get the connections you need to succeed.
Share the unique value of your products and services with consumers nationwide with more than $1.6 trillion in annual purchasing power. Matthews Marketing will promote your business on the premier TV networks, including CNN, MSNBC, Fox Sports, ESPN, MTV, OWN, BET, and VH1. So call us now at 732-357-5701 to book your Spotlight marketing package and get growing right now.
Business owners want to connect with consumers with more than $1.6 trillion in annual purchasing power? Want to get the coaching, new clients, strategic connections, and capital to boost your bottom line? Subscribe to the Matthews Broadcast YouTube channel and press the notification bell to be notified when we post the success principles, cash flow ideas, and content you need to prosper and succeed. Subscribe right now.